Hello everybody, today we're going to show you how to be a pro at markups on your iPhone using the Camera Photos app or Notes. Go ahead and go to your camera. We're going to pick a picture that we just took or a screenshot we just took. Once we pick one, which this is about the new feature on the iPhones where it'll detect if you're in a crash, we're going to go ahead and click on Edit in the bottom. Then we're going to go ahead and tap the little pen or pencil in the top right. At this point, we're going to make sure we have the color we want, in this case red, and then select the size that we want. We can make this a little bigger. And then the cool part is that we can go ahead and draw, in this case, a rectangle. And before we finish it, we keep our finger down and without letting go. Once we let go, you'll notice it's already turned into a nicely created rectangle. Also, we can do the same thing with a circle or an oval. It does the same thing. And we can also do arrows. So we can go ahead and draw an arrow and wait and then let go. And there you go. You can even do a star. It could be a sloppy star and it'll fix it for you. So we go ahead and hit done when we're finished, done again, and then we can go ahead and send this to anyone. We can do the same thing inside of Notes. Go ahead and create a new note and then click this little pen icon on the bottom. And you pick the proper pen. And we can do the same thing again. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like it and share with your friends.